Give her a little more slack.
I'm afraid she'll go under. Come on, take a breath. Hold on. Okay, go ahead, Liz. He's chasing his flashes.